who's the new boss in the arena? Gemini 2.5 Google का मॉडल है.
That is exciting and scary in the same sentence.
अगर मैं किसी ह्यूमन से पूछता तो वो भी शायद इससे अच्छा जवाब नहीं दे पाता.
Doing a lot of contextual reasoning.
Yes. People are choosing Gemini 2.5 response more often than the ChatGPT 4.0 latest.
Then that means that maybe they have improved something in the last 2 weeks. Because
Yes.
2 weeks ago we discussed this, Grok was leading
Yes.
tremendously and
Yes.
now Gemini is leading tremendously. तो उन्होंने कुछ improve किया होगा.
And what Google has done is that it has made research publications out of Google more difficult. So what was happening was that all ChatGPT, especially the transformer paper, it got from Google and implemented it. So now what Google has done is, so अगर मैं यहाँ पे आऊँ, Google makes research publication more difficult. Look, so ये Google की company है DeepMind. So DeepMind
Yes.
is holding back release of AI research to give Google an edge. तो ये उन्होंने जो एज लेके आए हैं ये 3% का, तो वो रिसर्च पब्लिश नहीं करेंगे दूसरों के लिए फ्री में कि हम कैसे वो एज लेके आए हैं. तो अब देखो, अब अगर मैं यहाँ पे आता हूँ, इफ आई कम बैक हियर एंड दिस Gemini 2.5, our AI champion, right, according to LLM Arena, and I asked it the question. तो मैं यहाँ आया, what is the meaning of life? ठीक है, very simple question. Let's see what it does. See, expand to view model thoughts. तो वो हमारा AI overlord ये सोच रहा है, identify the core question. The user is asking what is the meaning of life. Acknowledge the nature of the question. It is profound, subjective, explored by philosophy. Categorize potential approaches and perspectives. Philosophical, religious, scientific, humanistic. मैं किसी को ये सवाल दूं ह्यूमन बीइंग को तो इतना काफी अच्छा जवाब लिखा है.
यार मुझे तो ये लग रहा था विक्स, आई हैव टू से दिस दैट मुझे लगा था कि एंड में वो सारा नेट निचोड़ करके बोलेगा कि एक्चुअल आंसर इज 42.
So why do people say the answer is 42? So that's a very good point, Miglani. Look, ये कैसे सोचता है? The user asking why people say the answer to the meaning of life is 42. तो देखो, मैंने सिर्फ उसको क्वेश्चन में ये बोला था, why do people say the answer is 42? और AI समझ गया why people say that the meaning of the answer to the meaning of life is 42.
Got it. So it's thinking. It's
actually thinking.
Doing a lot of contextual reasoning.
Yes, and recall the source. Access knowledge about the origin of 42 in this context. The key source is Douglas Adams, Hitchhiker Guide to Galaxy.
ये already answer पे पहुंच गया.
Yeah, and then it comes and says, that comes from Douglas Adams. The setup, the calculation, the sequel, why people say it, pop culture reference, humorous, and it pokes fun at the question. I would say this is good, Miglani. This is good. अगर मैं किसी ह्यूमन से पूछता तो वो भी शायद इससे अच्छा जवाब नहीं दे पाता.
That is exciting and scary in the same sentence.